There is a way to automatically sync audio and video in Premiere. Hello and welcome to Clean Film. If you're working on an important production, you're probably recording audio and video separately. You could spend money on a tool to sync them, but you can do it directly in Premiere. We import both files, the audio and the video. Select them both, right-click on either one, and look for the option that says Merge Clips. A window will pop up with several options. You can name it whatever you want. There are several ways to merge the clips, but the one we're interested in is the option to sync by audio point. What this does is combine the two videos by using the audio to synchronize them, and what we're going to do is merge the two videos. In the audio tab, you can choose the timecode from whichever track you want. Additionally, you can also remove the video's audio and keep only the separately recorded audio. That's it. This is how it looks, and that's how it's positioned. And that's it. That's how you automatically sync audio and video in Premiere. You can subscribe here on this side, and you'll probably find a video here as well. See you in the next video. This one is automatically synced with Premiere. The number 400 is produced automatically, meaning it is generated without the need for any manual action or intervention by the user.